You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this chocolate company from Switzerland originally, but that's obviously a word said in Swiss German. Yep. We're going to be looking at how to say more names of German brands as well, and more names of different brands of chocolate manufacturers as well, including from Switzerland and other countries. So make sure to stay tuned if you want to learn more about those. So how do you say thus? Läderach. Läderach is how it's said in German. Läderach. Läderach. Chocolate. It's easy, right? Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.